Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
In this video, we will make chocolate gifting envelope for your best friend.
Cut the paper according to your chocolate size. And fold the paper same as I am doing. After this, cut to rectangular pieces of paper and you can color their borders also. So after finishing it, add any thought for your best friend on this paper.
And stick them by using Favy stick or glue.
I have cutted a small paper to stick it here. I have cutted one more same size of paper to stick it in front. Now take any chocolate and cover it with a small paper, like I am doing. Add glue nicely and stick it here. Now you can decorate it with many things, but I am using handmade heart. You can write thought here. Tie any type of ribbon like I am doing. Stick the double tape here. Cut a heart shape from glitter sheet. Stick them by using double tape. Add some pearls to make it more attractive. You can buy them from any stationery shop. It looks so pretty. Now I am adding some small hearts by using heart-shaped cutter. Stick them by using Favy stick. Add small quote in front. Done. Add some small hearts in front. Tie the ribbon. You can add some stickers also to make it more attractive. Now it is fully done. If you like this video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel for more creative videos. Thank you for watching.